Towards the end, like, it is very important to stay motivated. Do not lose out because you are getting low scores. That is very natural. Okay, अगर आपके बहुत कम आ रहे हैं, it is very natural. What matters is how you perform in the D exam.
So welcome back to the new vlog guys. लास्ट वीडियो में काफ़ी अच्छी रिस्पॉन्स थी, सो हम सब ने डिसाइड किया है कि हम लोग ये पॉडकास्ट या ये व्लॉग ऐसे ये सीरीज़ कंटिन्यू रखेंगे टिल कैट, एंड जितना भी हेल्प करे इट वुड बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. So today we have one more new special guest. He is also studying in PGP 25 and he's a first year student of MBA at IIM Koikor. So introduce करते हैं उसको. So welcome again. He is Sudhanshu, the first year MBA student at IIM Koikor. He is also in PGP 25 and one of my close friend. इसका CAT में काफ़ी अच्छा परसेंटाइल आया था. It's between 99.5 to 99.8 I guess. And हम लोग exact तो नहीं बता सकते, but this is what the range he got. Average CAT से, but still he got so good परसेंटाइल. एंड मुझे लगता है लाइक जो स्ट्रैटेजी ये फॉलो किया था, अगर ये अपना स्ट्रैटेजी बताता है तो डेफिनेटली इट विल हेल्प मेनी ऑफ यू. सो प्लीज़ वॉच द एंटायर होल वीडियो फॉर स्पेशली फॉर द कैट एस्पिरेंट्स. एंड इस वीडियो का अगर रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा लगा देन विल मेक अनदर वन मोर. सो वेलकम शुभांशु. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से ही इज़ वेरी cheerful person, he is very helpful person, he got such a good percentile but he is very humble. I just asked him यार मैं ब्लॉग बनाता हूँ, दिस आर द थिंग दैट आई डू एंड वुड यू लाइक टू कम. मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे ब्लॉग में हूँ और कुछ एस्पिरेंट्स को हेल्प हो जाए. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज रिगार्डिंग एनीथिंग फील फ्री टू टेक्स्ट हिम ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड लिंक आई विल प्रोवाइड द लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो दैट्स इट एंड स्ट्रैटेजी शुरू करते हैं.
Oh yeah, thank you Anshu for that introduction. So hi guys, I'm Sudhanshu Satpathy. I'll just start with by telling something about myself. As he rightly said, I don't have great academics. I have a 977 profile, and since I am an engineer with around 34 months of work experience when I filled the CAT form, the requirement of CAT percentile for my dream colleges was very very high. And believe me, when I say very high, it means like around 99.7 plus 99.8 plus. It was like that.
And you got it.
Yeah. So luck favored me, I would say, but. Yeah, so just believe in yourself, prepare and have a strategy for the D-Day, and you will see that your dreams will come true. Don't think about how much you will be scoring or anything. Like, don't have all those thoughts. Just focus and don't lose that.
So अभी हम लोग डिसाइड किए कि सबसे पहले हम लोग कमेंट्स के सारे क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करेंगे. जो भी स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चंस था लास्ट वीडियो में, सो हम लोग वो क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करेंगे एंड देन ही विल शेयर हिज स्ट्रैटेजी दैट ही हैड डन इन द लास्ट 10 or 15 days, जो अगर आपको हेल्प करेगा. हर्ष का क्वेश्चन है, मॉक स्कोर्स आर सो फ्लक्चुएटिंग दैट यू कैन सी ऑल योर ड्रीम कॉलेजेस आर अनअटेनेबल, सो हाउ टू नॉट गेट अफेक्टेड बाय मॉक स्कोर.
So Harsh, it is a very natural feeling, because everyone, whoever prepares for CAT, they go through similar process and similar they experience similar kind of thoughts in their time as well. For example, I'll take my example only. During the last 20 days, my mock scores were fluctuating like anything. Right from the 99 to some 89 percentile, the scores were fluctuating like that. But the thing which you need to focus is find the right strategy, how to attempt the questions and what all questions to leave. All those things you have to keep in your mind. And what one more thing to cheer you up is during the last 10 to 15 days, only the serious aspirants they attempt the mock. Okay, in the beginning, you will see that around 20,000 or 15, 20, 30,000 people they attempt, and because of that, your percentile will be very high. But towards the end, only 2,000, 3,000 people will be attempting the mock. So it's natural because all the serious aspirants will be attempting the mock. But do not let the scores hamper your preparation. Just focus, whatever you have studied till now, just focus on that and work on your strengths. It's the time to work on weaknesses are over now. Just play with your strengths and rest will be fine.
Next question is of Rishinath. Should I attempt previous question papers of CAT or not? Sorry to interrupt, but there is great news for everyone. So since the last few days, I was getting quite ample number of questions or queries in all of the social media platforms, and I'm not able to reply to all in particular time, and it take me around 2, 3, 4 days or sometimes a week to reply. So that's why I decided that there should be a space or group where you guys can have your queries to be resolved as soon as possible. So there is a learning network app called Habitat, which is a free app for everyone. So please download that app, join my space, and then you can have your queries to be resolved as soon as possible. The link is on the description. My space link is also on the description, but you need to download the app, because if you get into through the Chrome version, then it would not be user friendly for you guys. So I would request everyone to download the app and then join my space, and trust me, your queries will be solved within few minutes, few hours max. Continue the video. Should I attempt previous question papers of CAT or not?
Okay, so yeah, definitely you have to solve all the from 2016 onwards you have to solve each and every question of quants and LRDI especially, because the questions which we get in mocks, they are like prepared by the teachers, okay, but whatever you get in the actual CAT papers, they are like prepared by the institutions. So you'll get the real feel like how exactly the question looks like in the actual test. So practice from them. And one more thing to keep in mind is LRD section, you won't find any single LR based or DI based question. The question will be mixed. In each question you have to apply both, you have to do data interpretation as well as logical reasoning. So yeah, follow the CAT papers, and if possible, if time permits, you can also follow past year mocks as well. So yeah.
Next question. Archika, can you please do a video on strategy of 3 sections? That will be very helpful. So here you go.
Sure. So I was particularly weak at VARC and LRDI, and by engineer, I'm not generalizing this, but I was like particularly good at quants because I had enough of my practice. I'll just start with VARC, LRDI, and then quants, like the sections that come in CAT. So for VARC, if you have improved till now, it was well and good. But if you have not, then I would say that just do sectionals as much as possible, attempt them, and try to maximize your attempts. Like if you are seeing that the accuracy is not that well, and if you are purely focusing on accuracy, so then I would say strategy work from me. Although I was very weak at VRC, what strategy I would suggest is, if you burn out very easily by reading the RCs, so what you can do is first redo one RC containing 5 to 6 questions, then switch to the VA part, do 1 or 2 summary questions, and if you are not good at parajumbles, skip it, do it at the last. But you have to solve the major chunk, that is the RC. Try to do as much as possible, and do not do guesswork in that. Okay, try to do that elimination process, because in VRC the only thing that works is eliminating the options. You do not have to find the correct option, you have to eliminate the wrong options. Coming to LRDI, by now you must have known what kind of questions you are comfortable with. So I would suggest that play with your strengths, and do not solve questions which coaching center they post, and it would take some 20 to 30 minutes for the teachers to solve, because if you attempt them in the exam you won't be able to solve only. Okay, so just identify which all questions you are able to solve within 5 to 6 minutes, and just focus on that. And I'll ask Anshu to share one link. I'll give him one link, just go through them. One playlist is there on YouTube. Try to solve as many questions as possible from that. For quants, the thing that worked for me was I followed the conventional round approach, round 1, round 2, round 3. So in round 1, I'll just scan whole paper and do the easiest one. By easiest, I mean that it would take some 20 to 30 second max to solve the questions. When the round 1 is done, I'll go to round 2, the question which would take 1.5 minutes. And if time permits, I'll go to round 3, which usually takes around 3 minutes to solve. So if you follow these steps in quant, you'll be able to score very high. And for LRDI and quants, the thing to keep in mind is you cannot do guesswork in these 2 sections, because you can mark one option only when you get the answer. So do not do guesswork. Yeah.
So I hope that might have helped you. Next question is from Akshara. She is asking, please make a video on question selection.
Okay, that is a very good question, Akshara. So question selection for quants, I can say that by now you must be knowing that you are good at be it geometry or algebra or arithmetic. So find the strongest part. Strongest, I mean that if the question comes, any kind of question come in that particular section, you will be able to solve within let's say 1 minute without any mistake. So just pick all those questions. After that, move to a topic which is less like you're comfortable but not that much. Okay, so follow like these kind of steps. First, do all the questions which you find very easy, which is in your domain, which are your strengths. Yeah, that's it.
There's one more question. His user ID name is randomly. He's asking, my slot is 3. Is it hard or not?
See, what if I say that slot 2 will be the easiest? Will you give the exam or not? It doesn't matter, right? Like, be it slot 1, slot 2, slot 3. Nobody knows whether it will be difficult or easier, because normalization will happen in the end, right? You have to just go and give the exam. Don't think all the external factors, right? Because these are not in your hand. What is in your hand is your preparation, your focus. Do not lose that, and I'm sure you'll be able to perform well in CAT.
Okay, so these are some of the comments that I've got in the previous video, and I've asked almost everything. Now he will share his strategy that he had done in the last 10 or 15 days or in the last 2 weeks. So yeah, anything that you want to say before we end this
yeah video? So guys, what I followed was like, since I was not working in these last 20 days, I made a timetable and I rigorously followed that. Like, I solved questions on alternate days, and every week I used to solve only 2 mocks. Okay, and I used to practice a lot. And when I say that I give mocks, I mean that after giving the mocks, it usually takes around 1 to 2 days to analyze it properly. Without analyzing any mock, it is of zero value. You have to analyze it, because otherwise you won't be able to learn anything new. Okay, so do not worry about the scores. That is one point, because even my scores were very fluctuating. But in the end, due to luck, I would say, it turned out well. But yeah, like, one thing is that next is I did not focus on my weaknesses in the end. I totally played on my strengths. Okay, because I knew that if I could not remove that weaknesses in all these 8 months, I won't be able to do it in next 20 days.
Yes.
Right? So I just focus on my strengths, and yeah, that is number 2. And third is I learned the art to leave questions. Okay, that is one of the most important things that I learned through this CAT journey. Like, you will find that suppose while solving one question in LRDI, you'll see that you have solved 3 questions out of 4 in the LRDI set, and the 4th one is taking time. But यूजुअली क्या होता है, हमारा ईगो बीच में आ जाता है, एंड वो एक क्वेश्चन की वजह से हम बाकी इजी सेट छोड़ देते हैं. सो जस्ट लर्न टू लीव क्वेश्चंस. अगर नहीं हो रहा, जस्ट स्किप इट, डू समथिंग एल्स. ओके, एंड जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, read the question, just see if you're able to do it or not. This is particularly for LRD I'm saying. कोई भी क्वेश्चन अगर डिफिकल्ट दिखता है, doesn't mean that it is difficult, because in my slot as well I read one question on set theory. तो उसमें क्या था, like, पढ़ते टाइम वो डिफिकल्ट लग रहा था. Once I read the whole questions and when I draw the set diagram, it was like कितना 2-3 मिनट लगे उसको सॉल्व करने में, and it was one of the easiest question in slot 1.
कौन सा स्लॉट था?
Slot 1 था मेरा. So yeah, like, learn the art to skip questions.
Totally agree to this point. So thank you so much, Sudhanshu, for this beautiful insights. I am damn sure that this will definitely help some of the aspirants who are looking forward to have 99 plus percentile or 99.5 plus percentile and meet us in IIM after this year. Also, बताना कैसा था ये रेस्पॉन्स, कैसा लगा ये वीडियो, एंड प्लीज़ रेस्पॉन्स देना कमेंट सेक्शन में. एंड डू जॉइन हैबिटेट दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड इन द प्रीवियस पार्ट. दैट्स अ लर्निंग नेटवर्क, and link description, and please join it, and then you can join my space and we can have a good discussion. So that's it for today's vlog, and again thank you so much bro. He is very kind man, he is very kind. और एक ऐसा टिप दे दे जहाँ पे मतलब 20 दिन में उनके लिए वो बता दे कुछ जो जिनका कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, मॉक स्कोर बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है, एंड दे आर लाइक कि यार इस साल नहीं होगा, उनके लिए तुम क्या बोल सकते हो तुम, या फिर कुछ भी ऐसा मोटिवेशन या फिर कोई कोटेशन जब तू whenever you used to feel low, what you used to do, tell the aspirants, they will get some motivation.
यार देखो प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि हम ना इतने ज़्यादा मॉक्स दे देते हैं एंड के डेज में कि बर्नआउट होने लगता है. सो आई वुड से टेक अ ब्रेक, 1-2 दिन का ब्रेक भी लेते हो, मूवीज देखते हो, अपना फेवरेट काम जो भी तुमका हॉबी है वो अगर परस्यू करते हो तो माइंड फ्रेश होता है. फ्रेशली अगर तुम अटेम्प्ट करते हो तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. उसके बाद अटेम्प्ट करो एंड बस अटेम्प्ट मत करो, उसके बाद देखो कहाँ पे तुमने मिस्टेक की है, उसको नोट डाउन करो. टुवर्ड्स द एंड लाइक इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टे मोटिवेटेड. डू नॉट लूज आउट बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग लो स्कोर्स. दैट इज़ वेरी नेचुरल. ओके, अगर आपके बहुत कम आ रहे हैं इट इज़ वेरी नेचुरल. वट मैटर्स इज हाउ यू परफॉर्म इन द डी एग्जाम, on the D-Day. So what I did in my time was I used to watch a lot of like motivational movies, and I remember one night before the exam I watched that movie Pursuit of Happiness, and like I was really motivated after like watching that movie.
Yes.
And you can also follow similar kind of like TV series or movies. Do not just burn out. ठीक है, बाकी सब चल रहा है. ठीक है, just an exam. ठीक है, इस पर ज़्यादा कुछ डिपेंड नहीं करता. इट इज़ जस्ट कि लाइक इट इज़ वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव. आपको पता है इंडिया का लाइक सिस्टम कैसा है, हाईली कॉम्पिटिटिव. सब कॉम्पिटिटिव है, दैट इज़ फाइन. वो एक जगह पे है. ओके, आपकी प्रिपरेशन वो कहीं नहीं जा रही है. जस्ट फोकस ऑन दैट एंड बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. बाकी सब चल रहा है, सो हो जाएगा सब कुछ. ठीक है.
एक और क्वेश्चन मेरे को आ रहा है. हमारा स्लॉट 1 था, तो स्लॉट 1 में तुमने स्पेसिफिक कुछ प्रिपेयर किया, एनीथिंग दैट यू हैव डन स्पेसिफिक फॉर दिस स्लॉट 1? And what you can suggest to all the slot 1 CAT 2021 aspirants?
See.
Hi, what's up? Oh, you're recording?
Okay, so last year what happened was I am in the did not reveal the number of questions in each section. So I did not go with any predetermined mindset, and that thing really helped me a lot. Because if you have any kind of expectation that these many questions will be coming, this particular slot will be easier, that one will be difficult, so you'll be totally messing with your mind. Do not do that. जो भी होगा ठीक होगा. तुम्हारा slot तुम लेके चलो. It is like the best slot you have got. Okay, just have that thing in your mind, and rest तो बस एग्जाम में दे के आना. चिल रहना माइंड, एंड स्किप करते रहना अगर कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं होता है. डू नॉट स्टिक टू अ पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. एंड ये एक क्या बोलूँ उसको, एक ज्ञान ऐसा है लाइक बहुत लोग मिस आउट करता है. स्किप करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है चीज़ों को. ठीक है.
सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. आई होप ये व्लॉग अच्छा लगा आप सबको. प्लीज़ बताना कैसा लगा कमेंट सेक्शन में. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो सेंड योर क्वेरीज टू all the personal queries, all the specific queries that you want to him personally on his Instagram and LinkedIn. And Chandan have got many questions. He's very happy that people are getting something or the other from his words. So I hope सुधांशु का भी काफ़ी स्ट्रैटेजी आप सबको हेल्प कर रहा होगा. एंड प्लीज़ डू कमेंट ऑन द यूट्यूब चैनल. प्लीज़ डू कमेंट.
Please like, share, subscribe. He is doing a great job. Okay, and come to our campus. Okay.
Yes, come to campus. जान लगा दो यार, कुछ दिन बचा है, 20 दिन बचा है. जान लगा दो, अगले साल आते हैं. And you guys will get a chance to come in my vlog.
लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया.
तो यहीं पे खत्म करते हैं. कमेंट करना, हैबिटेट पे ज्वाइन करना, बताना कैसा है, रिस्पॉन्स बताना, एंड विल सी इफ इट वर्क्स, देन विल मेक मोर एंड मोर.
ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस. बचाओ अच्छे से. स्टे हैप्पी.